Regalo. Again, we're selling this at a very affordable price for only 450
pesos.
Okay, let's begin. We have here my sale number 1 is a super nice knitted stretch na may embroider dito. Up to 38 bust line. My sale number 1. Pwede siyang blouse, pwede din siyang dress. My sale number 1. Next natin mga kapamilya, we have here a super nice dress. Semi-turtleneck, long sleeves, chiffon, or parang medyo may pagka-satin material, garterized. Can fit up to 38 bust line. My sale number 2. My sale number 2 for 450 pesos. Ay, ito pala yung harap niya. Ayan pala yung harap. My sale number 2 for only 450 pesos, 38 bust line. Next po natin, we have here a round neck, short sleeves, tapos may embroidered na mga flower with 2 side pockets, can fit up to 38 bust line. My sale number 3 for 450 pesos. Next natin ay yung ganda rin po nito. This one is a combination of knitted stretch po, tas may mga rhinestones, 3/4, can fit up to 42 to 44 bust line kasi stretch siya. For only 450, my sale number 4. My sale number 4. Next natin, we have here, ay, 450 lang po. Sorry ng cover up. It's a long cover up or parang pwede mo rin na rin siyang gawing dress. Tapos meron siyang rhinestone sa likod. Can fit 3 size to ate. My sale number 5 for 450 pesos. Sale number 5. Next natin, another super nice color red long cover up 3 size. Ayan po. Tapos parang medyo textured yung pagka-square niya. 3 size po for only 450. My sale number 6. My sale number 6 for only 450 pesos. Next natin, ito tinry ko po itong isukat. Unfortunately, medyo long kasi yung shoulder ko. Kumasya siya pero sobrang sikip. Kasi 36 po yung bust line ko. Pero ito po hanggang 34 lang. Okay, pero super nice na mga small to medium size po dyan. Again, garterized po yan. Can fit up to 34 bust line for only 450 pesos. My sale number 7. My sale number 7 for 450 pesos. Next natin, we have here my sale number 8. My sale number 8, mga kapamilya, sale number 8, 34 bust line. My sale number 8 for 450 pesos. Next natin, we have yung gaganda ng ano nito mga kapamilya. 34 bust line lang po talaga pero 450 na. My sale number 9, may garter po siya dito parang smocking. My sale number 9 for 450 pesos. My sale number 10. Ito po ay 38 bust line naman. My sale number 10. Itong ganda very summery. Tapos may embroider dyan. Up to 38 bust line. My sale number 10. My sale number 11. My sale number 11 up to 34 bust line. Sale number 11 for 450 pesos. My sale number 12. Ang maganda. Yes. My sale number 12. 34 bust line. Ano po bust size ng number 9? Free size siya, Ma'am Boy. Free size siya, Ma'am Boy. Si Ma'am Fermina nag-mine kanina ng number 3.
You're so much! Thank you so much!
Free size yun, Ma'am Boy. Kasha po yun sa inyo, Ma'am. My sale number 12